Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Battery Guyz.
Hey, how you doing, man? I got a big old commercial Mack truck, a diesel, like a semi truck, and it takes 3 batteries, and I know for sure that I need to replace 2 of them that are testing bad, like they got just a little bit low voltage. So what do you guys charge for a battery, something like that, to either to redo mine or swap mine out for some ones that are already done out?
It sounds like you had those group size 31 in your truck.
I think so.
Okay, and do we have some 31s on the shelf?
How many?
You need 3, sir?
I need 2 right now, possibly 3.
2, possibly 3. Okay, now the ones you have, does it have the wing nuts on it or is it regular car post?
It's got 9/16 or what, 14, 15 millimeter like nuts on it.
Yeah. Those is called the wing nut posts. Okay, hold on for 1 second. We checking our inventory for you right now. Currently, right now, we only have 1 in stock right now, sir. How soon do you need them?
It'd be for
The price is $100 plus tax with a 1-year warranty. Turning with the old cores.
$100 plus tax.
Yes.
Okay. So when can you get me?
Tomorrow.
2 more?
Tomorrow. We can put some on the yes, that's what we do. We actually recondition batteries overnight, so we can put some on the machines tonight and have it ready for you tomorrow.
Okay, awesome. Because I'll bring you the ones that I have too.
Okay.
So let's see. Now, what about payments? Now, the customer, the owner of the truck, of Insured Transportation, he's in Orlando, so it would have to be either over the phone or online payment. Would that be acceptable?
Yeah. The customer can give us a call direct, and we'll take the payment over the phone. Not a problem, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and forward him your information. That way, he can be in contact with you directly, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you for calling Battery Guyz. Thank you for calling Battery Guyz.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing pretty good.
I need pricing on 2018 Dodge Journey.
All right, so you need a battery for a 2000 and what was it again, sir?
2018
2018 Dodge Journey.
Dodge Journey.
Okay, let me. Okay, we got that battery in stock for you. I got a 1-year warranty starting at $80 plus tax. That's include the old battery exchange. And I also have a 2-year warranty for $100 plus tax with the old battery exchange. The 2-year warranty?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We're here at 5 o'clock. Do you know where we're located at, sir?
Yeah, I know we're located at.
Okay, and that was a 2018 Dodge Journey, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Come by and pick it up. We're ready for you. Sir?
You said $100?
Plus tax. With tax at the door, sir, it'll be $112.49. That includes tax.
Okay. I'm going to send my daughter up there in a minute.
All right. Thank you for calling Battery Guyz, sir. Battery Guyz.
Yeah. How long is the warranty on your reconditioned battery?
We have up to a 2-year warranty, sir. We got a 1-year and a 2-year.
Okay. Also, I got a lawnmower battery. I think it's 230 cold cranking amp. What do those run?
We're currently out of stock of lawnmower battery, sir.
Oh man. Any idea when you have some more in?
That's kind of hard to say, sir. As soon as we get those in, they fly off the shelf. Those are sold out.
What are they running?
Normally $30.
Okay. Wow. So I just have to keep checking to find out when they get back in, huh?
Yes, sir. Can I help you with any other battery that you need, though, sir?
No, I just need a lawnmower battery right now.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for your call.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Battery Guyz.
Hi, do you have any 4D batteries?
4D. Yes, sir. We sure do.
How much do they run?
$100 plus tax, turning with the old core.
Okay, well, how about without a core?
Without a core, you're looking at a $25 core charge.
So about 125?
No, plus tax. Hold on, give you a total price. Let's see here. Look at that, $139.37.
Alrighty, well,
All right, it's reading at right at about 1,000 cold cranking amps.
I'm sorry?
I said the CCAs is right at 1,000 CCAs for this battery, for these.
Okay, yeah, I'm using it for a work barge, and I've got some cheap deep cycle batteries from Walmart that just don't seem to be doing it. So,
well, you're not gonna have that issue with Battery Guyz, sir, because we do everything on site and we make sure that the batteries that we remanufacture, they are high cold cranking amps.
Sounds good. Okay.
All right.
Thank you much.
Do you know where you're located at, sir?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. All right. See you in a little bit. Thank you. Bye bye.
Grasshopper, call for
Battery Guyz.
I'm here. I was supposed to have these batteries for 2012 Chevy Malibu LT.
2012. Let's see here. How did you hear about Battery Guyz?
I've been there before.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Definitely appreciate your business.
Oh, thank you.
Let's see here. It's an LT. Do you have the 2.4 liter or the 3.6 liter? Is it a 4-cylinder or?
Okay, 2.4.
2.4. Okay, got it. Okay. Is your car? Is it a start and stop?
Oh no.
Okay.
No.
Let me see here. 47. Group size 47. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Let's see. Let me go check the inventory. Okay, we do have that battery in stock for you.
Okay, how much is it?
I got a 1 year for, let me see here. Well, showing online, our competitor, they got it around $200. We actually got it in stock for you for $80 with a 1 year warranty plus tax. We also got a 2 year warranty for $20 more for $100 plus tax with a 2 year warranty.
Okay, well, I'll be in about 30 minutes. I'll get the 1 year.
Okay, all right, sounds good. See you in a little bit.
Okay.
Bye-bye.